equality. Paano ko i-discuss 2 effective evidence-based on equality practices. Then, before I proceed to our proper discussion, I prepared a game para sa motivation na to. This game, so, you know that 1 hour. Can you please all the team? Take the group will select 5 representatives. Each representation has a line number. For example, each calls number 5. When stated number 5 will automatically again do not touch the color. Each color paper has a different color written. For example, a green paper will have a green during the game, the teacher was talking. The green paper with the word being written on it. Then the opposing team will automatically answer the teacher's question. However, if the teacher says pink and the student has a pink colored paper that has a different word written on it, then the player will have to automatically be the one to answer the teacher's question. Once a group has answered 5 questions, they will automatically be shared as answers. 2 points each. And for the group who answered less than 5 questions will automatically go winner and receive 5 points each. There is no time limit in this game. Sige, start counting the best. Ayaw na kayo siya lang. Paano na rin naman? Color. Number 5. Word ang basihan. Hindi mo touch ang blue. Kasama ko na yung dito. Pwede hindi touch. Ano na? Racing. Kami tayo isa-isa ganun, di ba? Each member na yung numero. For instance, siya 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. May player 5, so si player 5, umano ka yan. Sige, mag-linya na lang. Ako, 5. Ay, isa lang ba? Kamay yun, no, Fred? Kaya na, yes, di ba, Bart? Ay, so, paano naman limog, no? Probability problem. Hindi ko lang kayo tayong bagay. Tatlo kang i- Pero lang mas... Ano? Uy, ano siya? Ano yung nag-review? Diba? Pag nag-parma, taraw. Kung maka-answer ka nga rin, suitable dito, haukit ka na ng bangkana, so automatic kayo points, pero pag dili, talaga sila answer siya, kung ganun dili, later, kayo dapat. Pero answer siya, talaga points. Pero, ano kami po per day, ano per night, limit sa pag-inom mo color.
Oh, nag-edit ka lang po. Mamaliko, kasi mamaliko. Ano kami sa tanong mamaliko? Sige, mamaliko ka na. Oh, maliko ka na. Kaya dili mag-sayo na mapalit nga mamalik, pero wala may kuhan ka ng mga tama na yung pag-challenge. Wala. Kasi yung perfect ko yung mas libo pag nagpupunta ng iba kayo. Hindi ka pa sa kulang. Sa lente. Diba? Ayaw. Ito nga job sila. Sige na sa dala nato. Para. Ana! Wala ko yung kayo.
Sunara si Gio.
Ay, wala matatayoy. Si Brato man ang isa. Sila na tao.
Paglinya daw.
Layer 5.
Largo na ba yun?
Makalibog siya. Sige. Sige niya talaga. Sige na? Pink! Blue!
Biligod ka.
Ano siya? Ay,
Diretso na.
ano ba? Sige. Press the button. Ayas na lang. Oo. Pink, blue, orange. Sila na ito. Para yellow. Ay, wala din sa dapat. Ayun sila eh. Oo, automatic siya. Kaya wala mo yung pilit. Hindi siya magpasok. Mga hardware na dito. Mas ang libot. Makaatay na. Orange, pink, blue, purple, red, orange, yellow.
Una siya. Pero una ka na mali. Sampang tayo. Oo, okay na. Wala na. Wala na.
What idea comes first onto your mind if you hear the theory, social justice theory?
Social justice theory. What idea or yes?
Idea ba? Wala ba?
Social justice. Giving justice. Sa education. After education, we have social justice. First, we have sa inclusivity sa social justice. Human rights.
Wala?
Our new player. Kathleen.
Ikaw po rin ako, Will.
Ano siya? What is your name?
Layer 3. Ikaw na, Will.
Four siya.
Nakapit ang ipalit niya ka na lang ang kita. Ayaw mo, kung mo.
Four ka na to. Commission player for ito.
Uy, babantay mo. Minsan yung makatag na ko. Siguro sa ako yun.
Kanapay dito mo. Sige, ikaw tubag.
5, 6, 7, go. Orange. Yellow. Or up.
Siya.
Ako na lang dula, uy.
Sige, ma-enjoy ka. Nag-enjoy ka na, may question ka.
Marathon na ko.
Brown, ano to? Brown
For you, what is multiple means of action and expression? Multiple means of action and expression. Wala, yun ko lang unay yun. Wala po
Yeah, when you native man siya dahil.
Multiple means and action.
Multiple means of action and expression.
Every name na nabuhat na ay kuan. Na ay kuan. Behind Anna. Yung means of action. Means of action. Action and expression. Ay, Grabe, yun na siya.
Layer 1.
Tarong ka ni! First color, elimination.
Magana mo? Magana ka. 1, 2, 3. Yellow. Pink. Orange. Red.
Red magic. Blue
Dugay siya, mas dugay siya ni Pring.
Take two. Take two.
Pwede spill? Okay, dead ball.
Orange. Pink.
Where are you from?
For you, what is... For you, what is universal design for learning?
Exist.
Universal design for learning.
Wala kang ba yung pagkili mo dahil?
5, 6, 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, go. Pink. Yellow. Orange.
Papabayot nila sa tayo.
Kita mo sa color ba?
Dami ko yung ingredients.
Wala kayo, di ba? Wala yung perfect. For you, what is multiple means of engagement?
Okay.
Ang engagement yung pa. Lain-lain na pag-group mga sa akin. For you, what is multiple means of engagement?
When we say multiple means, it means that multiple means. Okay, there's iba't ibang klase ng pag-ibig. Different ways on how to engage your students in your class.
Four.
Six na.
Bayot, wala na practice kayo. Siyempre, sa mga bahay, wala practice.
Okay, okay, so
Boka.
layer.
Number 4. Number 2.
Layer.
Number 2.
Boka.
Lunga katawa.
5, 6, 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, go. Purple. Blue. Red. Yellow. Pink. Orange. Blue.
Okay, show me the question. Anong malaya ang lukay? Anong malaya ang lukay? pinapala.
Kaya dapat ang message.
Ang color ba? Balik mo yun.
Kamo muna ko lang.
Headphone! Go. Spanish beat.
Balik ko na naman.
Ayun.
Ako ako pumunta na kay Ana. Ay, ako kay Kuboy. Sa karoon pa siya nasakto ganina. Kasi hindi lang nakasakto.
Wala ko na nakuha na lang ito. Everywhere man daw. Joke kami na everywhere.
Were you, what is universal design? Universal design is a design that
Ano diba? It is a universal design kung saan ng walang learning. Universal siya. So, it's design food siya. Universal design for learning. It is kaya murang siya ano siya ba? Murang standard siya on how to give learning to teaching students fairly and equally.
Hindi na ako may daro sa kalaw.
23.
20 na siya. Ang lokal man sila.
Napay isikat ki ma.
Ha? Ay, ibulit siya. Ako sa wala nakadula.
Students will be able to explain the principles of universal design for learning and differentiated instruction, and analyze how these practices promote equality in education. Value the importance of fairness and inclusivity by showing respect for diverse learning needs and expressing a positive attitude toward equality in education, and participating in the interactive game Sail to Success by moving their paper bold and answering questions related to UDL, differentiated instruction, and equality in education, demonstrating both teamwork and applied understanding of the lesson.
So there are two effective evidence-based inclusive practices. First, we have universal design for learning, and the second one is the differentiated instruction. When we say universal design for learning, or the UDL, it refers to the design of instructional materials and activities to make the content information accessible to all children. So as what Mr. Cadayona said kaganina it is a type of approach in which all students can access. Mura bitaw sa ka ng way bitaw universal design for learning. Mura bitaw sa way sa education nga para matagag opportunity ang tanan nga makain sa education. Nakuha? Oo. Sige. There are three elements to UDL. First, we have multiple means of representation, followed by the multiple means of action and expression, and lastly, multiple means of engagement. Multiple means of representation, or the what of learning. This is about how information is presented to students. Not all students learn best by just reading or listening. Teachers should show information in different ways. Example, using pictures, charts, videos, and reading objects, reading aloud, providing captions, or translating into simpler words, giving outlines, graphic organizers, or symbols. So, from the word itself, multiple means of representation, or the what of learning, the teacher, you as a teacher, you must provide different strategies on how you are going to give the information to your students. For instance, your students love music, and then some of your students love writing, makalearn sila through writing, reading, so you as a teacher, you must provide a strategy that's suitable to that music lover na mga estudyante, and then those students na mga dili makalearn sa through reading na sila, so like sila estudyante, dahil ko lang yung strategy nga i-provide ni teacher. So that is multiple means of representation and how information is presented to students. Ang mga examples, using pictures, charts, videos, and some of students ba yan na mas ma-engage sila or mas makalearn sila through on mga videos, things like that. So example. Nakuha lang si multiple means of representation. The one of learning. Next, we have multiple means of action and expression, or the how of learning. This is about how students show what they know. Not everyone can express learning the same way. So here, in multiple means of action and expression, or the how of learning, kaganina, nag-discuss to about sa multiple means of representation in which on how the teacher give the information to the students, no? And then this is about how students show what they know. Kung unsa ang mga nakatun nila sa gate feed nga information sa teacher. Okay ra? Nako ra? Na not everyone can express learning the same way. So, as what I said earlier nga, different dapat ang gamiton ni teacher nga strategy, which that strategy must be suited to that students kung unsa man iyang gusto. Okay. Next, we have multiple means of engagement. The why of learning. This is about how students get interested and stay motivated. Students have different things that grab their attention and keep them focused. Examples: making learning fun with games or real-life examples. Giving students choices in topics or projects. Group work versus independent work, some like teamwork, others like solo. Encouragement, feedback, and celebrating small success. So, here in multiple means of engagement, or the why of learning, this is about how students get interested and stay motivated. You as a teacher, it is not just about giving information man good sa mga bata. You need to provide feedback, different kind of feedback or motivations para ma-motivate sila perme, no? Maganahan sila perme sa imong klase tungod kay motivated mo sila, di sila magloya sa imong klase. We all know that there are a lot of, or there are different types of kanang motivations baya. We have extrinsic motivation, intrinsic motivation. So you can use that if you are a teacher. You can use that motivation for your learner to stay motivated or always motivated. Nakuha? So here is the second effective evidence, or the second effective evidence-based inclusive practices. We have the differentiated instruction. According to Tomlinson, 2010, differentiating instruction is a teacher's response to students' varying needs, interests, and learning styles. It refers to a systematic approach to planning curriculum and instruction for academically diverse learners. When teachers differentiate instruction, they use a variety of teaching and learning strategies that are necessary to meet the diverse needs of students in any class. So, if you could remember that Miss Turon, discuss niya about sa differentiated instruction last meeting. O ibang last meeting sa physical or sa PEB, bato siya? PEB. Pero she said na, very common sa differentiated instruction, balik-balik na ba siya? So, we all know ang differentiated instruction, the teacher will give different types of strategy or instruction to the learners kasi nga, we all know that we have diverse learners man sa ato ang mga sila. This is like a learning mo. Nakuha siya sa differentiated instruction. When we say differentiated instruction, dahil lahat ng mga instruction ang yatag di mo sa bata tungod kay they have different they are different ones man. Next, we have equality education. Nakuha na to? What are the three elements of UDL? Means of representation, means of expression, and means of engagement. Si UDL, what is UDL, Gani? Mr. Ramon? Miss Simbaho, what is UDL? Equality in education. Equality in education means that every learner receives fair opportunities and support to achieve their full potential. However, equality does not mean treating every student the same. Rather, it ensures that resources and teaching methods are adapted to meet individual needs. When we say equality from the word itself, equal. So if you are a teacher, you must treat the students equally. Fairly. teacher yun ang manikamot kanil. Dili ka ang bata. Mas manikamot si teacher na no. Dili man sa imong mga kalagutan mo. Dili kalagutan ba ano ba mag-treat o gising sa estudyante? Ang you as a teacher, you must provide resources nga ma-meet ang tanan nga mga bata. Nakuha tayo quality education? Yes! Oo, quality education ito ah. 5%. Now let us proceed with the philosophical foundations of equality. Yeah, philosophical foundations of equality. First, I believe this. Pilay mo. Dua? So I believe there are 3 philosophical foundations of equality. First, we have social justice theory. John Rawls' theory of justice emphasizes fairness and the fair distribution of opportunities. Amartya Sen and Bartanos both further advance the capability approach, which stresses that individuals should be given the real freedom and opportunities to achieve their potential. So, same as on equality in education, you as a teacher, John Rawls' theory emphasizes nga tanan mga students, kinahanglan siya ang trato na pantay lang din siya. Wala ang i-emphasize ni John Rawls' theory of justice sa iyang theory nga social justice theory. Again, kinsa kanyang tao?
John Rawls.
Isa to one. Uy, bawala itong report. Nakuha? Yes. Ipit naman niya ang topic. Sige. Wala na po tala? Let us proceed to our guided practices, which is, this game is called Sail to Success. Can you please read the instructions?
With the same group, you will be
Five folder. Each group will select the other 5 representatives. Our representatives will be not play on motivation game. Every member of the group will have a personal number. For example, with a teacher called number 5, the player assigned as number 5 in each group will automatically be the one playing. The game is still successful. The goal is to move your favorite goal toward the end point. The first group to enter the end point will have the chance to answer the question. However, if a group finishes moving their boat but fails to answer the board question, will automatically get minus points. Each correct answer is worth 5 points. If a group finishes moving the boat but cannot answer the question, they will only receive 2 points each. The first group to correctly answer the right questions will be declared the winner. There is no time limit as long as you can bring your boat to the end point that will serve as the basis. Dili sa video ba? At least, madamang mister. Nakuha ninyo na extra? Yes! Sige, proceed na lang sa center ang atong pati. Dali na! Sige, napadala na! Gusto na! Gusto na nagtaon? Dili. Provide. Paper na din siya, Buster. Paper na lang. Isa ka paper. Yes. Pinauna na siya, Buster.
si Jane.
Uy, kisa'y grupo na ako. Si Juarez. How much is Clifford? Okay na, Mary. One na rin. Proceed na kayo.
Ito may group to.
Patak.
Patak.
One. Wala ko. Si Patak. Uy, sila na yung group one na rin. Group two lagi mo tanan. Oh, sila pa na. Wait ka? Sila ako na. Sila mo man. Kami.
Proceed na mo sa
105 na lang.
Huwagin na lagi. Huwagin, Jo. Tulungan eh.
Uy, mas mo kaya ng oras Diyos ko, kadugay.
Thank you.
Nagbalongan sa huling mga...
From ikaw sa imo 1 to 6. Kaya siyempre ako gabi na ang tawag kung player na. Number ka mo kasi din ha. Okay na lang pinakauna ng mga ano dito, mga race. Mo na rin ito automatic. Kaya ako automatic na makalawa to. May ang album mo yung dami ka lang. Hindi magmumutanan. Mumutanan sila. Mumutanan sa each number. Each number hindi wala yung... Ay, gamitan na pa utanon. Di mo ka mo. Paano? Pili lang ang number. Ang question na ako number. Ay, 9 number na may question. Wala. Wala na yung question. Wala na yung question. Wala sa ako. Kasi yung muna makahabol, mga tabi. So, hindi na ako yung makatanong. Dili. Automatic right na sa araw na nag-focus na lang. So, kaya kami mga ano, ang mga kanto. Kaya until kalima ka maka-until. Dapat pag lima na ka na nakatubag na kanito, naka-ano na sa mundo po isa. Tupaw pa na rin. Okay.
Dito yung sarap answer?
Okay, tawag ko na ng number nila. Ikaw, wala mo yung number nila.
Bali, Mers. Manami. Ako. Mers. Ano ko? Tapos, ano ko rin ako mag-number?
Oo, ito nga number. Tarawagin mo, tubag mo dito. Kung matakbuhin mo, perfect ka. Kung hindi matakbo, perfect ka. 4 points.
Pero kung sabali, wala sila kuha number. So kung sila nakauna sila, wala na akong chance. Wala, sir. Uy, wala din yes.
Dili, ana, uy, ana, utak.
Makalito kayo na doon,
Dili, pwede. Tapos siya. Beka, instruction. Number 9, correspond nga, number 1, 2, 3, 4. Walang isa mo. Paano ko? Ay! Sino yan?
Ito ba yung wala na?
Wala pa siya pa rin.
Player 3.
Ikaw naman, Rin.
Player 3 ka?
Ang may tawag natin yun.
Hoy, isa may group automatic.
Again ha, isa ka ba? Kung isa mo pili mo, unong na siya. Kung isa mo ka-reach dili ko na, to sa front mo, pili number mo answer. Kung ano yung answer na siya 4 points. Kung sakto ang answer, automatic 5 points. Pero kung naman yung may points, pero 2 points. Wala naman din mo. Di mo may ka-reach.
Okay lang ako na okay para na kay Jess mo 5 point mga bar.
Ako nga lang, ang ribakta, ang mga muna, sipunan nila.
May kailangan ka makauna ka para
Oh. Sige, iyak na. 1, 2, 3, go. Iyak na, 5, 7, go. 1, 2, 3, go!
Okay naman upload ako, hindi upload. What is that?
Sa malang yung kamu
approve man siya.
Ay, sila.
Approve siya.
Approve naman.
Pwede sila. Sige na po dito yung Perfect! Ibalik ne? Layer 4. Ay,
Oh, may natin kapag may. Yan naman oh. Layer 4. Hindi, layer 4. Ano na kumay pa? Uy, yung sabi ni kayo. Ito na, wala kayo.
Hoy, papilnan ako, no? Aw. Hoy, pagalin na mo kay pitang oras. Ginoo ko.
Sige na.
Layer 4 ka? Kisa'y boring niya rin ikaw?
Ay, hupar ko man ikaw.
Sige. Count of 3, 2, 1, go! Bora! Isa na ka! Then go to Jane! Go na Jane!
Masa siya yung nabubuli? What?
Ay, buti na ito. Jane! Group ka na Jane! Group ka ka. Jane!
Score ko sa group 2. Score ko sa group 2.
Ganito. Wala naman eh. Si Jane man. Jane, bago. Ay, bago ng TikTok. Yes, guys.
Sa daon namin.
Ay, dapat yan. Iba rin ako rin na ako.
Nagkakaroon ako ng bawaan. I-try lang, i-try. Ikaw lang. I-try lang, boring. Ikaw, naman balik ako. This is about how information is presented to students. Ito naman members. This is about how information is presented to students. Elements of UDL.
Then sabihin mo, ang set. There are 3 elements of UDL. Oh, yes.
Kaya, answer na!
Sige, answer.
Ang sabi ko sa niya. Wala yan. Representation.
Layer 1.
1, tato.
One na.
Busy boy. Di ka na
Tanggal sito, tanggal.
Sige na.
Si Ana. Hindi mo ako yan. Ay,
Okay, tap.
ilang one, ilang star.
Ay, graduation ko na.
Sa baraw sa ba? Iludi. Pwede ka lang tumami.
Jay, kumawa na ito nila, Jay.
Ay, wala man ni. Ano may isa? Ay, wala na mag-ay.
Ligawas na ni Gaya daw. Uy, papilis ito, ulit na po, kaya nalatas na.
Uy, mabilis na. Wait na, ito.
Wala, ayaw ko lang ito. Ano ba? Yan.
5, 6, 7, go!
Si Praga, kayo mo pa.
Wait lang, dahil ko kay buka ka lang po. Ayun, Your Honor.
Na different.
Provide everybody.
Social justice theory by Jan. Creation of opportunities. Social justice theory.
John Lennon man.
Uy! Tama ka ba dahil pa ta? Wala na may oras.
Time na.
Wala, time na. Wala si Joe.
Time na.
Ako ay mix score. Kahila. Fixable. Oh? Ano mo gusto?
26.
Pero pag naka-short ko ato.
37.
The winning group is group 1.
Pila ta program ang 37. Over pila na dahil 25 plus 50.
Score doesn't
Plus
define
3
who
no
I
bro.
am.
40 mga matawag. Pili 25
Wala ko na ako. Ato, unang mamumulong.
Maura to